Hey everyone, it's RK and welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. Today we're diving into the world of apple cider vinegar, or as I like to call it, ACV. For centuries, people have been using ACV for its potential health benefits. From aiding digestion to potentially helping with weight management, this fermented wonder has a lot to offer. So, in this video, we'll separate the facts from the hype and explore the potential benefits of ACV. Plus, I'll share some practical tips on how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's get started. Let's talk about digestion. We've all been there, that uncomfortable, bloated feeling, maybe some indigestion after a meal. Well, ACV might just be your new best friend. ACV contains acetic acid, a natural compound that plays a crucial role in breaking down food. It's like giving your stomach a little helping hand. ACV can help create a more acidic environment in your gut, which is essential for proper digestion. If you're struggling with digestive issues, consider adding a tablespoon or two of diluted ACV to a glass of water before meals. Remember, dilution is key here. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room: weight loss. ACV has gained quite a reputation as a weight loss aid, and while it's not a magic bullet, there's some interesting science behind it. Some studies suggest that ACV might help promote feelings of fullness, which could lead to consuming fewer calories throughout the day. Additionally, there's some early evidence suggesting that ACV might play a role in boosting metabolism and even helping to block the body's ability to store fat. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about a holistic approach, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. Now let's talk about blood sugar regulation. For those managing blood sugar levels, ACV might be a helpful tool. Studies have shown that ACV may improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. One study found that consuming ACV with a high-carb meal significantly reduced blood sugar spikes compared to a placebo. However, it's crucial to remember that ACV should never be considered a replacement for prescribed medication or a healthy lifestyle. Beyond its internal benefits, apple cider vinegar can also do wonders for your skin. The acetic acid in ACV possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a popular natural remedy for various skin concerns. If you struggle with acne, ACV might help combat those pesky breakouts. You can create a diluted ACV toner by mixing equal parts water and ACV and applying it to your face after cleansing. Always do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Let's talk about immunity. While ACV isn't a magic shield against illness, it might offer some immune-boosting benefits. ACV's antibacterial and antiviral properties come in handy here too. ACV's potential to promote a healthy gut microbiome indirectly supports a robust immune system. Adding a dose of ACV to your daily routine might give your immune system a little extra support. Finally, let's discuss heart health. Some studies suggest that ACV might have heart-healthy benefits. For instance, ACV may help lower LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. Additionally, ACV's potential to lower blood pressure is another heart-healthy perk. As always, it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. So there you have it, folks. Apple cider vinegar is truly a versatile powerhouse. From aiding digestion to potentially supporting weight management, regulating blood sugar, enhancing skin health, boosting immunity, and even promoting heart health, ACV deserves a spot in your wellness routine. Remember, start with a tablespoon or two diluted in water, and gradually increase your intake as needed. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of ACV, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more evidence-based health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and well.